I'm going to make an omelette, and here are my 3 ingredients. So let's get into it. So I've got 4 eggs that I'm going to use for my omelette. So let's crack them. So here are all my ingredients for this very simple omelette, okay? My vegetables, I've got a canned tuna, okay? And I've got my spice blend. I've got turmeric, salt, whatever spice you want to use, okay? Put it in there. And then my 4 eggs, okay? Now we're going to mix them all together and cook them. Very quick, easy. I drained the tuna a little bit. Okay. Yeah. All my stuff in there. How are you doing today? How's your day going? This is a very healthy breakfast, right? If you're a breakfast person, I can have breakfast all day, evening, morning, afternoon. Eggs, I can have them any time of the day. To be honest, I'm not a breakfast person, but I love eggs, so I meant you can have eggs at any time of the day. So here we are, the mixture is done, and as always, it's eggs, right? Who don't like tasting raw eggs? But I like to taste it because I want to know how it tastes before I cook it. Actually, some people also mix raw eggs and drink it. Apparently it's good for them. I don't know. I won't do that, but to cook my food, I like to taste them. So here is a mixture. It's going to the frying pan with ghee, some ghee in there, and we're going to cook, okay? All right. So I'm back, and so I have just a little bit under a tablespoon of ghee in here. I'm going to make the scrambled egg now. Okay, scrambled eggs. All right. And I'm going to keep my heat at a medium because I don't want it to burn. I want to, gently cook this so we can taste the yumminess of it all. Okay. We'll get the lid for it, but I'll cover it for a little bit, let it cook, and then I'll turn it around. So let it sit for a little bit, we'll be back, okay? So we are back. This is the egg after 3 minutes. This is what it's doing. Okay, so I'm going to cover it again. It's smelling amazing, by the way. Oh, my pan is ready. So it's on a medium heat, and I'm still getting a little bit of it. It's sticking. Sticking to the bottom of the pan. Looking amazing and smelling amazing too. So our eggs are ready now. Fire is off. We're just going to put it on a plate and be ready to be eaten, okay? You can eat this with your toast. You can have it with your plantain, muffins that you made, or just eat it like that, like I would. just eat it like that. Okay. Alright, so the eggs are ready, and as I always say, chop time. Yes, friend. Okay, let's try this. You're invited. Let's eat it. Okay. Or you can even put it on your rice. It tastes so good. So I'm going to finish this with a cup of cocoa made out of real cocoa nibs. And yeah, you have a wonderful day, and God bless you. And as you're feeding your belly, you're feeding your body, remember to feed your spirit with the word of God. All right, take care, all of you. Bye-bye.